name's Julia, and I'm going to show you some geometry concepts in folding a circle. I don't have a circular piece of paper, so you'll have to do this on your own, but I can walk you through it. If you have a piece of paper, it's cut out in a circle, you go ahead and fold it in half as evenly as you can, and then you unfold it. You're going to find a crease in the circle. And this crease will show you the diameter of the circle. So it's the first geometrical concept of our circle that we are looking at by folding. Then you could do it again, but don't do it along the same crease. Fold it maybe this way and unfold it. So fold it in half as best you can and unfold it, and you're going to get another diameter here. And you can see that where they intersect, you'll find the center of the circle. And you will also be able to see that one of these like spokes coming from the center is our radius. So this is the center. One of these is your diameter, and then one of these is your radius. So you got the center, the diameter, and the radius. And then the final thing you can do is, I'm just going to redraw the circle here. Don't fold it in half, just fold a part of it over and then unfold it. Maybe you have a crease that looks like this. And that is a chord in a circle. It's any line that passes through the circle that isn't, well, a diameter is a chord, but not all chords are diameters. So this is how you can illustrate what a chord is if you're teaching children. And the center, the radius, and the diameter. Thank you for watching.